Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and hope you're having a great start of this weekend so far. And welcome to a new video on Solana. We're just going to do a full update. I mean, basically how we always do, right? The situation for Solana to me is relatively clear, all right? I mean, fundamentally, as most of you know, I'm still bullish on Solana. I mean, we can discuss how strong technically Solana is. However, I think that's part of the crypto game, of course, the technicals behind it. But a bigger part, I think, is community. And Solana has a big community. It has a strong community. A lot of money is invested in Solana-related projects. So fundamentally, I'm still bullish on Solana. But I mean, the truth at this moment is that Solana had a lot of momentum up until last Monday. It had a lot of momentum. Then it reached 120 and 125. But since then, it's been, well, it hasn't been bearish, but the open interest has dropped down quite a bit over the last day and over the last week. It has stabilized. All right. So here you can see over the last day, the open interest has dropped down quite a bit. So what that means is that, all right, if you zoom out enough, Solana is still bullish. That's just the truth, technically. Fundamentally, I am still bullish on Solana because the total value locked is still good, and I use different sources for the total value locked, but they're different numbers, but they basically state the same picture, and that is, for example, right now that the total value locked is still very high, has dropped down a bit. We have to be realistic, but that's obviously also because the price has dropped down. So fundamentally still bullish, technically still bullish if you zoom out, but technically right now we have lost momentum and we are consolidating. I think that's the case. And ultimately, I mean, at the moment, I would say the most important resistance level is at the top right here, around 112, maybe up to 116. I'm not sure yet, but I also don't think it's that relevant right now. But that's the main resistance level. Let's say 112, 116, that's the main level we have to break if we want to get to 135, 140, 150. Ultimately, I think that's possible, but for now, like I said, I mean, the truth is that Solana is quite correlated to Bitcoin, normally at least. Not so much right now, that's pretty interesting, but normally it is. Bitcoin looks quite bearish. I expect Bitcoin to fall down lower. So I expect Solana to follow that, and that's also the technical structure right now. The technical structure right now, we're not really reacting to those 28 and 50 EMAs right here. So what that means is that the technical structure is getting more and more like a consolidation. So that's what I'm going to assume this is. And then we have to talk about what the bottom of this consolidation is, and that I'm not too sure about. Right now, I think we'll drop down to 95. I think 95 is a strong support level. But if from 95 we're not able to break above 102 again, for example, then we'll probably drop down lower towards 90. And this level right here between 90 and 86. And then from there, look, that level I do think is going to hold. So then we'll just find support there and consolidate somewhere on top of that. But it's waiting for that. So initially I expect bearish momentum. At some point of time we'll find a strong support. $95 has a chance to be a strong support if it provides a bullish breakout, but I don't think that's enough. I think it's a little bit more likely that we'll drop down to 88 and 86, and that from there we'll get enough bullish, support to get a bullish confirmation, and then we know that's the foundation of this consolidation we're going in, and then later on from this consolidation I expect some sort of a rally again, but that could still take some time. So basically it's this, right? Consolidation, and then at some point of time, rally, breakout, bullish continuation. That's what I expect. But obviously, I mean, crypto is volatile. the ETF date is coming close. So I'll keep you updated on this. But for now, these are my thoughts. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.